Hello, welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to practice how to use that and as correctly. Let's get started. A mistake I hear from a lot of my students is this one. It's not that hot as yesterday. Using both that and as with a description, with an adjective. We cannot say this. We cannot say it's not that hot as yesterday. Because we're comparing today with yesterday, we have to use as 2 times. We say it's not as hot as yesterday. We have to use as before the adjective, hot, and after the adjective. It's not as hot as yesterday. Let's practice. Is it as hot as yesterday? That's right. It's not as hot as yesterday. Yesterday was hotter than today. So when can I say it's not that hot? You can say it's not that hot as a response. For example, I say, it's so hot today. I'm going home. And you say, come on, it's not that hot. Meaning, it's not so hot that you should go home. You should stay here. So you say, come on, it's not that hot. You should stay. Let's practice. It's too hot for me. I'm going home. That's right. Come on, it's not that hot. You should stay. So remember, if you're comparing and using an adjective, use as 2 times. It's not as hot as yesterday. Yesterday was hotter than today. And you can use that to respond to what someone else says. They say it's too hot. You say, come on, it's not that hot. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you want to become a member, click the join button. And we'll see you next time.